There are 8 menus are included in the Ecoxy. Customer menu is one of among that. When we click on the customer menu, it opens to customer search page. With this form, user can create a new customer for the organization, and it also shows the details of already created customer. Here we can see the details of customer like customer name, contact name, phone number, GST treatment, GST TIN, branch name, type, contact category, etc. The branch name here shows that the customer is created only for a branch or for all, and the type also shows that the global or local. Here the balance amount of every customers are given here. The red color indicates with payables amount and the green color indicates with receivables amount. On the right side of the data table, an edit option is available. This pencil icon indicates with edit option. If the user want to edit the customer details, then it can be done by using this option. When we click on the edit option, it redirects to customer form. Now let's take a look at which all other options are available in the customer search form. On the left side of the page, we have a filter option here. With this filter option, user can filter or customize the customer data by entering a customer name, phone number, email, GST TIN, etc. And user can also filter the data by selecting sort order or by selecting a category. After enter the details, click on the apply option to access the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a customer name or party name and can access a particular data. Next is the add new customer option. This option is using for the purpose of create a new customer. Next one is the export option. Export option enables the user to export the customer data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new customer. To create a new customer, click on the add new customer option. When we click on the option, it opens to new customer form. Here user need to enter the following details. First one is the customer name. User need to enter the customer name here. Next one is the contact name. Here we can enter a contact name. Next is the mobile number option, and user can enter the email ID of the customer here. Next is the category option. Here user can select the category for customer by clicking on the select option. A list of created customer will be appear. If the user want to create a new one, can be created by using the contact category in settings. Next is the opening balance form. Here user can enter the opening balance of the customer. Next is the GST treatment. By clicking on the select option, the GST treatments are available. Here user can select the required one. And if the user select the GST treatment except unregistered, then user need to enter the GST and PAN number also. On the right side of the page, here we can see the state and billing address. Here user can enter the billing address, state, details of the customer. After enter the details, the next is the place of supply option. If the user enter the GST treatment, then the place of supply will automatically appear. Otherwise, user need to select the place of supply here. After that, next is the global or local option. If the user want to create the customer for a particular branch or HO, then click on the option local. By clicking on the option, the list of branch and the HO will be appear, and user can select the required one. If the user want to create customer for global or for all branch, then click on the option global. Next is the active or inactive option. User can active the customer by clicking on the active option, and user can inactive a customer by unmark the option as inactive. After enter the details on customer details, the next page is other details option. On the other details, user can enter the currency details, maximum credit limit, payment time, etc. After enter the all details, click on the save option to save it as a new customer. User can cancel or clear the option by clicking on the clear option. When we click on the exit option, it redirects to customer search page. After save the customer, the details of the created customer will be appear here, and user can edit the customer if required. So these are the details that included in the customer form. Thank you.